Hello, I will be going to 32nd Tourism Expo here in SMX Convention Center at Pasay City, Manila, Philippines. So, I'm using Filipiniana because lagi to ang gingon dapat maka-Filipiniana ko no, pero pag abot na ko dire wala yung nag-Filipiniana guys. Gamay ra naulaw ko pero okay ra, sige laban kay Manila maniso halago rampahan na lang. Tourism officer, I brought our products from Marihatag to Manila, and I brought my banana chips and special patatas at yung mga jewelry ng eyepiece na ginawa ng mga eyepiece, yung dinala ko yun doon to display also mga brochure.
Starting off with our batch 1, PTAA Board of Trustees and Organizing Committees, Ambassadors, and Diplomats. Please join us on stage. Starting off with our DOT Undersecretary, Assistant Secretary, and Regional Directors and National Tourism Undersecretary.
Basahin niyo sir kung manalo ba kayo, pero kung lang po, better lang next time. Pero syempre, hindi ako magkakatapos sa pala. Okay.
Ano ang dayan sa parang ko ano ko tayo
From Bicol.
We're in Bicol. Wow! A spicy na ice cream.
Spicy.
Chili ice cream.
Ice cream ng baby. Wala bang cake?
Sige, ice cream.
Thank you.
Manati.
Chili ice cream from Bicol. Cheers. Hara! Sila ice cream nga. Sila ice cream ganyan. Legit.
Pero kami ang kanaan pagka yung aras na yung fresh na sila.
Dami, no? Amazing din eh.
Ano
Dami ganyan. Sila may ba?
Ano yung launch fan?